Hello everyone, welcome to today's session with Vinny, with Devi, and let me add her quickly. She's joining in a minute, and the session has started. Yeah, hi Devi.
Hello, am I visible clearly?
Yes, visible, audible, everything good.
Perfect. Okay. How are you doing?
All good. पंजाबी च करिए अपना सेशन.
बहुत लोगों को समझ नहीं आएगा फिर.
हाँ मतलब ठीक है. एक by
ठीक है.
default, our by default language we come to Punjabi mode usually. But yeah, let's
Yeah. I
start.
already got a request from someone who I know कि मेरे मम्मा को सुनना है प्लीज आप उस लैंग्वेज में बात करना जो उनको समझ आए. So I said okay, let's see how it goes.
Yeah, let's.
So can we start it with the chant?
Yes, please. Yes, sure.
Okay. जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरु शरणं गुरु शरणं गुरु शरणं गुरु शरणं गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः. Okay.
Okay. Good to see you after a really long time. अन्य टाइम बाद
Yes. Yeah.
हम एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं. हम
हाँ.
हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, Devi, let's start with thank you for being here. First of all, I'm grateful that you joined this session and
Okay.
we are here. And we all are curious to know your journey from
Okay.
Vinny to Devi, whatever you want to share, anything you would like to say on that. Let's start with that, and then maybe we can go with the flow. What do you think?
Okay. Yeah, perfect. So I was born and I was given a name Vinita Ved by my parents, out of which my friends, one of them is you, who started to call me Vinny very lovingly. And then I went on a journey to discover myself, where the questions started with जीवन बस यही है उठो जॉब पे जाओ और एक दिन मर जाओ मे बी बच्चे पैदा करो और मर जाओ वहां से मेरी जर्नी शुरू हुई थी एंड देन आई वेंट टू डीप इनटू इट एंड वन डे रियलाइज दैट yeah and one day realized the Devi within me and the word Devi came to me in my own meditation but then the complete name Devi Shri Om has been completed by my guru who is Om Swamiji. So it's Devi Shri Om now. A friend of mine very recently who like a friend who became like एक फ्रेंड जो अभी बनी है मेरी दोस्त उसने मोर बहुत प्यार से मेरा नाम रखा है देविनी जी एंड आई फाउंड द मीनिंग बिहाइंड इट वेरी ब्यूटीफुल द वे शी सेड दैट विदाउट विनी देयर कैन नॉट बी अ देवी so I will
Hmm,
call you Devini and I found it very beautiful the description. So without the human side of me there cannot be any divine side of me or all of us for that matter. So yeah.
definitely, that makes beautiful sense.
Yeah.
And how does it feel to be here, to be in this Devi form? And maybe whatever you want to share about this current thing, like what is Devi like and what is setting her apart from Vinny and all, maybe.
Mm, Vinny was a set of habits and tendencies and which is not gone fully, I would say. It's still there, a part of it, which I've kept alive myself, I would say, uh, for certain reasons. to be able to relate to the people who I was earlier with my family, for example. And Devi, Devi is just Devi. When she speaks, it comes with an authority and a love, which is which my human mind also kind of observes. पता नहीं आपने कहीं पढ़ा है कि नहीं, एक विटनेस भाव होता है, साक्षी भाव बोलते हैं. तो माई कॉन्शियस माइंड ऑल्सो विटनेसेस दैट साइड ऑफ मी जब वो इन द फ्लो होता है तभी.
Conscious side watches the side of Winnie or Devi.
Both of them.
Both of them. Okay.
Yeah.
Awareness watches both of them,
Yes.
taking different roles maybe. So does it
Yeah.
happen? The Winnie comes in between often and
Very often.
very often.
Because somewhere I have kept her alive, to be honest. Like उसको खुद ही मैंने जीवित रखा है अभी तक. तो ताकि मैं अपने रिलेशंस जैसे हैं उनको वैसे एंजॉय कर सकूं किसी हद तक. एंड और मुझे लगता है वो अच्छा ही है.
अच्छा.
फॉर
So
अ
it
पीरियड
is
ऑफ.
good to keep her alive.
या ऑब्वियसली आई मीन दैट इज द बेस. जिसके बिना देवी नहीं हो सकती थी. इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल. नो.
Okay.
दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ द जर्नी, यू नो. एंड ये सिर्फ ये मेरा सच नहीं है, ये आने वाले समय में सबका सच होगा जो भी इस रास्ते पे जाएगा. दे विल डिस्कवर अ स्पेसिफिक फॉर्म ऑफ द डिवाइन इन देम. हर एक का हायर सेल्फ है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि आई हैव कनेक्टेड टू इट, द सेल्फ एज दे से, जो एकदम यू नो द रियल यू एज दे से बिहाइंड ऑल द शीट्स. आई हैव मेड कनेक्शन टू दैट विद माई जर्नी. बट वही जर्नी हम सबको तय करनी है, सबको.
सबको.
इस जन्म में करे, अगले जन्म में करे, कितने भी जन्म ले, बट दैट इज द पर्पस ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ.
And how does feel like that your journey has come really early, है ना? बहुत जल्दी में भी शायद आप इस जर्नी में चल पड़े एकदम डिफरेंट पाथ में. तो how does it feel like to be
uh, इस चीज को मैं अगर हम
मतलब कैसे हम कैसे समझ पाए इस जर्नी को? Maybe if we haven't, those who haven't walked this path, how does it like, right? कैसे हम इसको समझ सकते हैं? Maybe कैसे हम इसको अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं कि हाँ, what this journey is like, why there is a need to be on this journey, and how are the things on the other side of it?
हाउ आर द थिंग्स ऑन द अदर साइड, वो तो एक्सपीरियंस ही करना
How are the
पड़ेगा.
emotions and all? Like you can share yours, and which can help us to maybe
यस,
relate
यस,
and
आई
see
गेट दैट.
things through.
पहली बात तो जो आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा या लाइन कही कि जल्दी और लेट, टू बी ऑनेस्ट हम लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि हम, मोस्ट लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि हम कब से इस जर्नी पे हैं.
Hmm.
और जो वो एक हमारा इंडियन सनातन धर्म का एक बेस है, कर्मा, यू नो. एंड जो मैंने डिस्कवर किया अपनी जर्नी में कि कर्मा के बिना हम कुछ नहीं है. आई हैव a bit like I have knowledge of bits and pieces of my past lifetimes, and I know I have been on the path earlier also. So when I look at that part and I connect to that, I don't think it's early. I think it's just the way it was supposed to be. I mean, and that holds true for all of us. जब भी हम, कोई भी हम में से इस रास्ते पे चलेगा, they will discover that somewhere we have done something in the past. And यहाँ मैं, with due respect to all cultures, all religions of the world, with absolute respect to, but I'm very rooted in my culture. I'm very rooted in my Sanatan Dharma, because probably शायद जितने भी मेरे lifetimes रहे हैं वो यहीं के रहे हैं. I have lived this for too long to be deeply rooted in it. So with respect to all the other religions, I would say कि people who are born in East, which is India somewhere, uh, I think all of them at some point and some point in their lifetime, any lifetime, have been a sage or a bhakta or a, someone who had been a seeker in some life for sure. इतना तो मैं गारंटी के साथ कह सकती हूँ कि if you are born in this land, somewhere there was a seeker in you always. In some lifetime you have already walked the path. To some extent, more extent, we never know. It's very individual, but always, definitely, I'm like damn sure about it.
That's maybe the aura of this land that everyone.
It is. It is.
That's nice. That's great to know.
Yeah.
Nice. And anything, what you can share for us on divine and devotion? That's our topic. That's what we are talking about, maybe. Like anything, how can we understand the divine? How can we understand the devotion? Or maybe the connection in them? How can
Okay.
we?
Devotion, bhakti is one of the way, as per Sanatana Dharma, one of the way to go towards divine, and it is the most painful and most beautiful way towards divine. Painful because it is a way which involves your emotions. तो जब हमारे इमोशंस इन्वॉल्व होते हैं डेफिनेटली वो उसमें हम हाई का हाई भी जीते हैं, हम बहुत खुश रहते हैं, मस्ती करते हैं, हंसते हैं, गाते हैं. समवन हु इज एक्सपोज टू द इमोशनल साइड ऑफ देम, वो जितना वो खुश हो सकते हैं या जितना वो किसी चीज को एंजॉय कर सकते हैं, एक जो अपने थोड़ा ड्राई है, थोड़ा इलॉजिकल है, वो तो उस चीज को एंजॉय नहीं करेंगे. सेम वे ऑपोजिट भी होल्ड ट्रू कि जितना वो फील कर सकते हैं. सो इफ इट इज आइदर द pleasant experiences or the painful experiences, they are exposed more compared to the people who are more towards their logical or intellectual side. So that makes it the most painful as well as the most pleasant. Like the ecstasies one can experience in this path. um, I remember once upon a time, मतलब मैं अपने experience से ये glimpse दूंगी. At some ashram, at some place in my journey, I met a guy who had realized the divine through logic, intellect, and he was seeing me going through the ecstasies of my bhava, bhakti, and the way he, and I was just a newbie, I was just a weenie trying to find my way out, and I remember the way he asked me, उसने बोला कैसा फील होता है. The way he asked me, I knew कि he's not experiencing what I'm experiencing. Although he has already reached the divine through the path of, because I was feeling going down to him, I could realize that he has realized that God within and outside. But somewhere he was just still looking to walk the path of bhakta. And he asked me, कैसा feel होता है? And I could sense the way he asked, he's missing out on the experience of it. So, yeah, that is about the devotion. And devotion is also one of the easiest and quickest way, as they say. Quickest तो मुझे पता नहीं, बट जो बोलते हैं ये जो पार्ट है ये मैंने पढ़ा है बाय अदर पीपल. उसका पेन और प्लेजेंटनेस तो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, बट ये चीज की इजीएस्ट है और क्विक है ये मैंने पढ़ा है बहुत लोगों से, बहुत सेंस पेजेस ये बोल गए हैं. And another thing which I have read, that people who walk the path of devotion, they almost become like God. They get so intoxicated. There's no difference because वो इतना ज़्यादा खो जाते हैं ना उस चीज़ में कि they just get lost into it fully. So we have an example of Ramakrishna Paramahansa, like the biggest example of being a devotee. And we know the state. If you have read about him, if you have known about anything about him, we know what state he used to live in. It was like always high. So yeah.
And to whom Devi is currently devoted to?
My Gurudev.
Your Gurudev.
Yeah. Who is Narayana for me? Who is Krishna for me? I mean, yeah, like Narayan Bhagwan, Krishna Bhagwan, और मेरे गुरुदेव, मेरे लिए इनमें कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. They are all same.
Okay.
And when I say that I am devoted to the Narayana in you also, because I personally feel that element exists in all of us. That is the heart of all of us. तो मेरा perception ऐसा हो गया अभी कि मुझे हर इंसान में उसका वो नारायणा वाला एलिमेंट दिखता है, especially men, and then females I see Devis, and that makes the experience so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
And how does this devotion look like? This devotion to Narayana. How does this look like? How can we understand that?
Devotion is something to be experienced and
Okay.
lived. It is not something to be understood. Yes, you
Okay.
can walk towards it. You can constantly work towards it, but eventually it is a arena of feelings, emotions. आप समझ रहे हो मैं क्या कह रही हूँ?
Is it like I'm just trying to understand for everyone, like is it like chanting the names of your
Yes, yes.
and
अगर हम कृष्णा की बात करें, कृष्णा ऐसा है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर वन and very safe one to be devoted to, because Narayan element is like the maintenance department उनके पास है, so he caters to all. आप उनको किसी भी वे में पूछ सकते हो. There is nothing like to be fearful of be cautious of. He is very ऐसा comfortable deity to connect to. इसीलिए वैष्णविज्म इतना पॉपुलर हुआ, क्योंकि इट इज सेफ फॉर ऑल. लाइक जैसे अभी बोलते ना कि देर आर fierce forms of goddesses and fierce gods also. Householders should not worship them because you are inviting all kind of energies in your home, which may not be okay. In that sense, Krishna is one everybody can safely worship, and he responds very quickly also. बट उनका कृष्णा का एक वो है कि यू हैव टू मेक अ कनेक्शन विद हिम एज अ सम रिलेशन में, सम उनके साथ ना एक कोई रिश्ता बना लो, चाहे सखा का बना लो, चाहे भाई का बना लो, चाहे एनी रिलेशन, एंड देन ही तो विल कम ऐसे, एकदम ऐसे ही विल कम.
So
सो
nice, so beautiful. Wow.
या.
So
सो या.
divine for you, we can say Krishna. Is it? This is Krishna is the divine
राइट
where
राइट
Devi
नाउ
is
यस.
completely devoted.
राइट नाउ यस. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, अगर मैं सच बोलूँ तो जब मेरी जर्नी शुरू हुई थी, आई वाज सीकिंग शिवा, and Shiva I see as my partner or husband, or I see my partner as Shiva. एंड वहां से मेरी जर्नी शुरू हुई थी. बट वो कहते हैं, महाराज जी हमारे प्रेमानंद महाराज जी भी बोलते हैं कि जब शिवा की आप पे कृपा हो जाए, शिव जी की, तो आप नेचुरली नारायण नारायण करना शुरू कर देते हो, क्योंकि शिव जी का इष्ट नारायण भगवान है. तो समवेयर मेरी भी जर्नी में वही हुआ कि जब वो हो गया, तो उसके बाद अपने आप ही नारायण नारायण चालू हो गया. बट इट्स नॉट, आई ऑल्सो रियलाइज दैट दिस इज नॉट माई फर्स्ट लाइफ टाइम टू बी कनेक्टेड टू नारायण. I've done this before, so yeah.
So nice, so amazing to hear all this. And when I'm recalling the Winnie version of you, she's the
Yeah.
girl who has never hardly been to temples,
Exactly, exactly,
worshipping anybody, right? And
exactly,
God.
exactly, exactly.
मतलब हम सब कहते थे कि चलते हैं या ऐसा कुछ कोई प्लान, तो मतलब it was not that with the keen interest, like it was like a
Yeah,
good thing maybe.
yeah.
And now she's talking all about almost every god and everything. And it's
I have something to share actually. When I look back and connect the dots of my life with respect to this specific thing which you just mentioned, it's like कि मेरा बचपन में ना ऐसे कट ऑफ हो गया था. एंड कि जब मैं छोटी थी, तो मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स से, अपने बड़ों से भगवान के बारे में क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे. आई वाज वेरी वैसा पर्सन ना जो सिंपली बिलीव नहीं करेगा. पेरेंट्स ने कहा यहाँ जाओ तो भाई जाओ, नहीं, मैं वैसी नहीं थी. आई वुड यूज टू क्वेश्चन एवरीथिंग. तो जब मैंने क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे बचपन में माँ बाप से या बड़ों से, स्पेशली कुछ और लोग थे, आई वोंट मेंशन, लाइक एल्डर्स ओनली इन फैमिली, तो मेरे को कोई सेटिस्फैक्टरी आंसर्स नहीं मिले. तो जिस वजह से मेरा कभी कनेक्शन बिल्डअप नहीं हो पाया बचपन में. I just see it Krishna's Leela only in my life. It was supposed to happen that way. I know the reasons why it happened that way. By that kind of prarabdha I was supposed to live. Prarabdha karma, if you know, the karma which you are supposed to live in this life, that is called the prarabdha karma. So,
okay.
तो वो हुआ नहीं. But there was this one element जो मैंने बचपन से जिया है, that was love. मतलब प्यार, जो मेरे अपने लोग हैं जिनसे मुझे प्यार है, उनसे पागलों की तरह प्यार करना. तो वो चीज मुझे लगता है वही कहीं ना कहीं फ्रूटिफाई हुई डिवोशन में इवेंचुअली. तो मतलब मुझे याद है अभी, जैसे मैं अपने भाई, मैंने शायद, आई यू टू नो दिस थिंग एज अ फ्रेंड, कि आई हैड अ ब्रदर हु आई यूज्ड टू वर्शिप, like all I used to love him like I worshipped him. Everybody knew my love for him, everybody in family. तो उनके खाए बिना मैं खाना नहीं खाती थी. जब उनको घर आना है तो उसके 2-3 घंटे पहले ही मैं खिड़की पे खड़ी हो जाऊंगी. मम्मा बोलेंगे कि आ जाएगा ना, वो घर ही आएगा, कहीं और थोड़ी जाएगा. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ लव आई यूज टू डू फॉर माई ब्रदर ऑलरेडी. एंड मुझे नहीं पता, आई वॉज नॉट कॉन्शियस अबाउट इट, बट समवेयर आई वॉज ऑलरेडी लिविंग दैट एलिमेंट अनकॉन्शियसली.
The
अब मैं
lover.
उसको उसको पीछे मुड़ के देखती हूँ, तो आई सी कि आई हैव लव्ड पीपल विच वॉज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक बीइंग डिवोटेड टू देम. वो जब फिर अब, और अच्छा, उसका एक बड़ा अच्छा फैक्टर ये है कि जब भगवान मेरी लाइफ में आए, अब मुझे कोई ये नहीं कह सकता कि भगवान एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते, क्योंकि मैंने उनको अपने आप पाया है. ऐसा नहीं कि किसी ने मेरे ऊपर थोपा है, किसी ने मुझे बोला है कि भाई भगवान है, तुम पूजो. मैंने बचपन से उनकी होंद को ऐसे, आई डोंट नो, मुझे नहीं पता, बट व्हेन दे केम इनटू माय लाइफ एंड स्टार्टेड गिविंग मी एक्सपीरियंसेस, I know for sure. Now nobody can convince me that this is untruth or this is just a game of mind and all. For me, everybody, like be it Krishna, Shiva, or the saints and sages of the past, they are as alive and as real as you and me sitting here, or books around us, or bed around us. So, yeah.
Nice, so amazing. I just don't know like how to say कि भगवान आए, मतलब you कि this is so good ना कि आपको किसी ने फोर्स नहीं किया और वो खुद आए हैं. It's
हाँ,
like you are not forced upon it. You haven't taken
एग्जैक्टली
this path
मतलब
out
जैसे
of
मैंने
any
आपको
conditioning, maybe out of any. Hmm. This.
लाइक जैसे मैंने आपसे शेयर, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, आई एम सॉरी, बट जैसे मैंने आपसे शुरू में शेयर किया कि मैंने जब सीकिंग शुरू हुई थी वो ऐसे शुरू हुई थी कि जीवन बस यही है, उठो जाओ जॉब पे जाओ, शादी करो, बच्चे करो, मर जाओ एक दिन. तो मेरी सीकिंग वहां से शुरू हुई थी. तो इट वॉज नॉट एक्चुअली डिवोशनल सीकिंग, इट वॉज वेरी इंटेलेक्चुअल सीकिंग समवेयर. बट
Logical.
इवेंचुअली आई सडनली शिफ्टेड टू डिवोशन बिकॉज वो पहले के कर्मा इतना टेंडेंसीज रही होंगी कहीं ना कहीं. And then when he came, that presence came into my life, it is so alive ki bhai, like, how to say.
So, does this presence stays all the time, or are there occurrences of presence is not there? How
It's
does
always there.
it's always there?
Yeah, it's
So
always
that
there.
intoxication is always there.
uh,
Can you say that?
if I choose to, because अगर काम करना है तो intoxicated state में आप नहीं रह सकते. So
Okay.
it depends upon, like, if my being chooses to be in that state, then I can be in that state for as long as I want to. But I also see myself as being employed by Narayana. I see कि मेरे like he is my employer. Narayana is my employer. He has given me work to be in the world and do wherever he wants me to be. And अगर काम करना है तो भैया थोड़ा तो normal state में रहना पड़ेगा. So yeah.
तो फिर वो काम के टाइम पे कैसी फीलिंग रहती है? यू लाइक यू कैन कनेक्ट योर सेल्फ टू दिस वर्ल्ड और हाउ इट इज ड्यूरिंग द वर्क, लाइक जैसे होता है ना, एक वर्क के टाइम पे तो हम पूरा वर्क के हिसाब से कनेक्टेड रहते हैं उसके, राइट? तो देन देर इज दिस. तो हाउ डज इट फील लाइक फॉर ए, लाइक a normal human being maybe get frustrated by work or get angry from the work, get, so how does this feeling comes, how it does it comes or not, or how does that goes like?
It's just that, Pooji, when you start to
You
live your
don't get
dharma,
results maybe, how does that, how do you tackle that?
when you start to live your dharma, जिसके लिए आप यहाँ आए हो, what is the purpose of your life? For me, it is living this life which I am living right now. For somebody, it could be art. Somebody, it could be dance. For someone, it could be actually software engineering. So उसी में उनको भगवान शायद प्राप्त हो जाए वो करते करते. So it's very individual. हम सबका unique है. But when you, and this is something which nobody else can decide for you. Only you know, when you are into it, you know that this is my dharma. For someone, it could be, catering to the needs of family, homemaker, taking care of children. It can be anything. जहाँ पे भी आपको एक वो feeling आ रही है कि this is who I am, this is what I'm supposed to be, and फिर there are no elements of frustration or irritation. It's just, you have to do that. It's just part of, who you are, why you are here.
And do you also get attached to results while performing your dharma?
Absolutely no.
So it is all devotion to the
I
Narayana.
mean, that is the work जो खुद पे किया है. That is the result of the work I have done, where I live in that state of surrenderance, where and the flow, surrenderance and flow, wherein, like, I'm just doing what I'm supposed to do. I'm just in the flow state. जो मुझे करना है, जो मेरे से करवाना है, basically whatever I'm supposed to do, whatever this body से भगवान को, divine को जो काम देना है, वो बस होते जा रहा है. उसके बदले में जो मुझे मिलना है, जो इसको जीना है, everything is just outside of the self. All the experiences, it's like वही witness consciousness, where you're here and you're just witnessing. Result भी बाहर के बाहर रहेंगे और काम भी बाहर के बाहर रहेगा. You are just there, and you're seeing the exchange happening with different people, different situations. So yeah.
So, what things of this outer world can witness, like can touch upon this consciousness? मतलब जैसा होता है ना कि consciousness से हटा देती हैं या मे बी impact कर देती है. What are those things, or what are those emotions, maybe anything you would like to share? Like if we can have a picture on that.
um, See, अगर हम इंटेलेक्चुअली बात करें तो हमारे स्क्रिप्चर्स ही बोलते हैं 8 तरह के विकार होते हैं. आई एम नॉट एन इंटेलेक्चुअल पर्सन, सो आई मे नॉट बी एबल टू टेल देम ऑल. इट्स लाइक लोभ, मतलब लोभ, ग्रीड,
मोह,
लस्ट,
अंधकार,
मोह.
अहंकार.
हाँ, सो ऑल ऑफ देम है ना, 8 ऑफ देम आर देयर इन एज पर द शास्त्रास. सो वो सारी चीजें, दीज आर द ओनली एलिमेंट्स. लाइक यही है जो हमको कहीं ना कहीं बांध के रखता है, जो हमको अपने धर्मा से दूर रखता है. And devotion is something, the way of devotion is something where you allow the divine to take care of you. तो लाइक भाई मेरे को तो मेरे पल्ले नहीं पड़ रहा, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, मेरे में इतनी बुद्धि नहीं है, मेरे में इतनी क्षमता नहीं है कि मैं अपने कर्मा हैंडल कर पाऊँ। मुझे नहीं पता इस सबसे बाहर कैसे आना है, वही तू जाने, संभाल ले। So I'll just remember you, I'll keep remembering you, just take care of all these things for me because I don't have the awareness, I don't have the intelligence to take care of these things for myself. So that is the way of a devotee and a bhakta. That is a way of
Everything is
surrendering.
genuinely taken care of in that way.
Exactly.
And maybe
Exactly.
more better than that, what we can take care of.
अरे इसका मैं बड़ा अच्छा एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ सबको। मैं कहती हूँ अरे भैया, तुम भगवान से मांगते हो मुझे एक गाड़ी चाहिए, मुझे एक गाड़ी चाहिए, भगवान कहता है ये पागल है, इसको मैं 100 गाड़ियां दे, जस्ट एग्जाम्पल के लिए इसको 100 गाड़ियां गाड़ियां देने तैयार हूँ। 100 तो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएंगी, तो सिर्फ थ्री कार्स से मैं इसको ये मारुति मांग रहा है मेरे से और मैं इसको मर्सिडीज देने को तैयार हूँ, इसके कर्मा भी रेडी है उस चीज के लिए, बस ये एक बार इतना कर ले, मेरे को विश्वास छोड़ दे, आप जो दोगे मुझे पसंद है, वट एवर यू हैव डिसाइडेड फॉर मी दैट इज गुड। नहीं, मुझे वही मारुति ही चाहिए, आई वॉन्ट दैट मारुति। एंड उसके लिए क्या होगा, द सिचुएशन, द कर्मा इज रेडी फॉर यू टू गेट अ मर्सिडीज, बट नाउ यू आर आस्किंग फॉर मारुति, एंड उसके लिए भगवान को पूरा पंच चेंज करना पड़ेगा।
Rearrange.
एग्जैक्टली, एंड देन यू आर क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर योर सेल्फ।
Hmm.
तो दिस इज द
इन
नॉनसेंस
दैट
वी
वे
ह्यूमंस
आप
डू।
अपने लिए प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट कर रहे हो, क्योंकि अब मारुति
एग्जैक्टली।
के लिए आपको सिचुएशंस बनानी पड़ेगी ना कि मारुति तक लेके आए आप।
एग्जैक्टली, लाइक मैं आई एम इनएक्टिंग लाइक अ गॉड, गॉड इज लाइक अरे यार मैं इसको मर्सिडीज देने को तैयार हूँ, ये मेरे पीछे मरुत, क्या पागल बच्चा है, कैसे समझाऊं मैं इसको। बट देन ही इज इम्पार्शियल, however you view God as, for me it's Krishna. If you see Devi as goddess, so she will be like a mother and she will be like क्या पागल बच्चा है यार, either way, like the भाव जिस भी भगवान के प्रति आपका भाव है और जैसा भी भाव है, तो वही कहेंगे कि यार क्या है, बिकॉज दे आर इम्पार्शियल, दे आर नॉट द मदर और फादर फॉर वन चाइल्ड, दे आर फॉर एवरीबडी। तो वो सिर्फ आपके लिए काम नहीं करे, तो उनको तो पूरा सिस्टम हैंडल करना है ना। तो तुमको अपना एंटीना उनके साथ अलाइन करना है, देन ओनली दे विल बी एबल टू गिव यू व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू गेट थ्रू देम। बट तुम अपना ही एंटीना हिला के रखे हुए हो, तो कैसे ही होएगा।
और कैसे फिक्स कर सकते हैं उस एंटीना को?
सो देयर आर मेनी वेज एंड इट्स वेरी इंडिविजुअल। अब जैसे जैसे मेरे लिए भक्ति वाज दी डोमिनेंट थिंग।
जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट।
या श्योर।
इधर भी लगी है, पापा को दिखा दे। मैं 5 मिनट में आ रहा, ठीक है मैं बच्चा।
ऑल गुड।
यस।
ओके। तो जैसे आई सेड कर्म योगा, ज्ञान योगा, bhakti yoga and kriya yoga. So these are the 4 ways, and we all have a combination of all these in us. सबका इंडिविजुअल है। जैसे मेरे में भक्ति डोमिनेंट था, but I have done my intellectual part also. I have read books and I've done that part also, and then I have done the sadhana also, and then I have done the karma यानी volunteering also in some way or the other. So सबका जो वो combination है ना, वो बहुत अलग है। आपका कुछ और होएगा, मेरा कुछ और होएगा, and that's where a spiritual mentor or a guru comes into picture, because they are able to recognize कि आपका क्या dominant है, and accordingly your path is crafted by them. So that helps. Otherwise दैट इज द पिक्चर, दैट इज द रोल। इट्स लाइक मैं जैसे स्पिरिचुअल मेंटर का रोल क्या बोलती हूँ, कि जैसे अभी जिम है और तुमको सारी एक्सरसाइजेज आती है, सब कुछ पता है कि जिम में ये करना है, वो करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, बट इफ यू गेट अ ट्रेनर, देन वो एक सिस्टमाइज्ड वे स्पेशली क्रिएटेड फॉर यू दैट दे कैन गिव। दैट इज द पर्पस ऑफ हैविंग अ मेंटर और अ गुरु। तो दैट अदरवाइज तुम हवा में तीर छोड़ते रहोगे, शायद वो तीर लग जाए, बट शायद उसको 10 साल लग जाए या 10 जन्म लग जाए। But if you have a guru, and or if you have a mentor in your life, a guide in your life, even Krishna can be a guide for that matter. Krishna is, Krishna के लिए लाइन है, Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum. So if you start seeing him as a guide in your life, you may not need an individual person. He may actually arrange for a guide for you, which would be the best for you in your life. तो अगर वो ह्यूमन वाले की जरूरत पड़ी होगी कि नहीं, आप कृष्णा को ही अपना गाइड बना के चलो, वो अपने लिए अपने आप संभाल लेंगे कि तुम्हारे लिए क्या बेस्ट है, अकॉर्डिंगली तुमको वहां पहुंचा देंगे। सो तो वही मैं कह रही हूँ कि दिस इज अ रोल ऑफ हैविंग अ गाइड इन योर लाइफ। तो अगर आप किसी ह्यूमन से अभी नहीं कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं, यू स्टार्ट सीइंग कृष्णा एज द गाइड इन योर लाइफ, और इफ यू आर क्रिश्चियन देन जीसस एज योर गाइड इन लाइफ, और इफ यू आर अ मुस्लिम देन अल्लाह, and today is Mahavir Jayanti, so Mahavir Bhagwan, they are all alive and they all are connected. हम ही बैठ के सोचते हैं अलग अलग है, they all are same. It's just the paths are different according to our mind. हमने किस religion से कहाँ बार बार जन्म लिया है, क्या कुछ किया, they're all are same. So तो जिसको भी एक पकड़ लो, गुरु नानक देव जी, how could I miss, our Sikhism belong to Punjab. So you can choose any which you connect to, and then उनसे सब अपना उन पे छोड़ दो और बोलो कि अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरी लाइफ में किसी पर्सनल ह्यूमन गाइड की जरूरत है, आप ये अरेंज करो, मैंने आप पे छोड़ दिया. जस्ट चूज वन whoever you connect to the most and then leave it on them. एंड उसमें एक दूसरी चीज आती है, फॉर्मलेस गॉड भी बोलते हैं, है ना, ब्राह्मण. लाइक फॉर मोस्ट ह्यूमंस इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू कनेक्ट टू फॉर्मलेस वन. इफ यू आर, you know, that of that caliber where you can connect to the formless, it's good. The path would be totally different, but most people connect to a form very easily. So then I would say choose one amongst them, whichever you feel connected to, and then they will craft the way out of you, or the out for you. If you need to be with some human person, human guide or mentor or guru also, it will just happen. So yeah.
Priyanshi is saying hi to us, both of us. Hi,
Hello. Hi Priyanshi.
Priyanshi. Okay, that's great. Okay, so what is like when the Winnie was there, we could never imagine we will be sitting here one day talking about all of this, and
Yeah.
they will be telling us all of this. It's like then it's like दूर दूर तक कोई remotely भी नहीं सोच सकता था. I would
Especially to you, because we have stayed together, we have lived in PGs and flats together. I remember your devotion, your connection to divine, going to Shiv temple. I've seen you doing those things, and I didn't used to. So, and like our third flatmate and our friend, she was how much devoted she was, and I
yes,
mean
yes,
I was the least
devoted person.
possible person you could think of, but
You
then
could think
so
of
this is
in
how
the
life
whole
is.
group maybe
Yeah,
we could
yeah.
think of not
So
yeah.
this is how
So
life
I
is.
would I would I would want everyone to know if you can tell what Winnie was like so that people can also like not believe or believe what extremes maybe it's a 360-degree change मतलब जो होता है ना पूरा पलट के हाँ black से white और white से black होना I guess it's like that or if you think it's not whatever you want to share so that with your words you can tell everyone what Vinny was like and Devi what Devi's we can already see we can already hear and whatever you want to share about that version of you.
So Vinny have had many versions, because if it is seen from my life, from my perspective of my past life, और स्पेशली अब जब मैंने इतनी सेल्फ अवेयरनेस करके पीछे सब जाके देखा है, क्या क्या जिया है मैंने. So when I was a child, I was a very different person. Now I go back to my childhood and I see I used to be very alone at times, and I used to be very meditative. I've lived those things without conscious awareness. एंड देन आई वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी पार्टी पर्सन, मतलब बहुत ही वैसा रहती थी. Then I went through the phases of phase we have lived where I was very joyful also, group की जान और वैसा वैसा we have lived that. Then you and me specifically have lived the intellectual discussions we used to do. Then when he was very passionate about अगर कुछ चीज ठान ली तो उसको वो करना है, like एजुकेशन में अगर कोई आ गया कि भाई ये करना है तो करना है, so she was very passionate. And then Winnie also went through the phases of anxiety and depression and very toxic phase in life. But that I see as was the, that catalyst for the change. And yeah, like it's just a combination of so many things. I see that I've lived a lot, lot of emotions. Yeah.
Lot of maybe emotions and lot of forms in one like
Yeah. A lot of
package in one
experiences. Yeah. Yeah.
lot of
Yeah.
extreme kind of experiences
Yeah,
in one
exactly. Yeah,
life
a
only.
lot of them. And I also see it in that way. Now that I'm a spiritual mentor, the role, divine has given me, I see that with that experience behind me, I can connect to a lot of people coming from different things, different backgrounds, different problems, because I personally have lived many of these things. So even if thoda thoda karke, but I have experience of many things in my life. So maybe that is why it entails. Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, right. So true. Right, Devi. And what we can, how does your future of Devi looks like? That we talked about Vidi, the past version, we talked about present, the life Devi is living, and what we can think of future and how do you think of it, how it is like?
Uh, to some extent, I'm aware of how my future is going to be, but I won't talk about that. But I just would say that the Devi in me is going to, you know, gradually come out more and more. Yeah, like the highest potential I have. I have not touched the pinnacle of my highest self. I'm not living it, the highest potential I have. I'm gradually moving towards it. So she will just come out on the surface more and more. That's all I have to say.
Coming to this maybe world more, or is it like that, or with
Huh?
your consciousness, like coming back to this world more, like as you have lost touch in
Mhm.
all these years, is
Both of
it
them. Both of
both?
them. It's like
Okay.
there's a word which is used. It is called integration. So
Hmm.
integration is the thing which you have to have between your spiritual and the physical experience of life. So
Hmm.
that integration is must.
Hmm.
So I was lately, last 2 or 3 years, I was in a very heightened state of spiritual experiences where it was very hard for me to connect to the physical world. But I see gradually I've been coming or connecting back to the physical self, and the integration process is happening. So it's like I'm moving in the both directions at the same time, and I'm like grateful for my guru's presence in my life. I think that he has been a great catalyst in helping me, kind of balance this out in a very, like, I just personally feel that if you have a grace of lineage of siddhas supporting you, it just helps out a lot, because for a period of time I was without a guru. For a period of time, I, like, Krishna was there, but I was not connected to any lineage. And but once I got initiated under Gurudev, I see that I seriously felt a lot of support. uh, ऐसा लगता है कि वो burden ले लेते हैं थोड़ा सा काम का तुम्हारे ऊपर से. So
That's great.
yeah.
And one more thing I'm curious about, like, does those elements, like you told, there are 8, 9 elements, there, right? Does that comes to Devi or not, or like
Yeah, I do live them,
you
because
live?
you have to live them. Otherwise, if you become so pure, it will be very hard to live in the world. You cannot live in the world, even in the body. Those vikars are needed to some extent, but they should be channelized for the higher good. सो वो बोलते, यही तो बोलते हैं, लाइक वैष्णव में यही बोलते हैं कि अपने सारे विकार, आपका मोह है कृष्णा की तरफ कर दो, अपना लस्ट है कृष्णा की भक्ति की, मुझे और कृष्णा भक्ति चाहिए, वृंदावन जाना है ज्यादा से ज्यादा. सो शिफ्ट ऑल योर विकार्स टुवर्ड्स कृष्णा, एंड दैट इज द वे टू गो टुवर्ड्स, बिकॉज लाइक वो कहीं ना कहीं टू सम एक्सटेंड इट विल स्टे. अदरवाइज अगर वो बिल्कुल ही तुम इतने सात्विक, लाइक द हाईएस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ सत्व, if you start to live, it will become very hard for you to live in body.
Hmm.
So the if you know about ये गुण रहते हैं ना हमारे सत्व रजस और तमस, we need parts of all of this in us.
That's the balance
So
we need, basically.
exactly, and you should be like, the thing is, there's a name of Devi in Lalita Sahasranam. Uh, that there's a name which is called Gunatita. So, like, that is the target, that you become above all the gunas, that you are riding the gunas in you, sattva, rajas, tamas, rather than you, like, they playing you out. You're
Hmm.
getting me? That you are, that yourself is driving the gunas, it's not you being a slave to them. So, that is the
Right.
target. Yeah.
So, are you able to ride your gunas?
Um, yeah, I'm doing that. Yeah,
Like with, yes,
yeah.
that's nice.
Like,
That's
like if I have to be truthful and while staying humble, yeah, I'm living that.
okay. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything you want to share? I am.
Um,
Anything coming to you, you like to share with everyone who is here?
um, not like, it's not, nothing is coming to me. I would just say that, like, if I have to bless in some way, or say best wishes in some way to all who are here or who would be listening to this in future, I just wish you connect to the divine in you to whatever extent you can, and just try to form that bond with the divine. Uh, it can take care of everything for you. Trust me on that. I'm saying that by experience. Like whatever you are going through in your life, ऐसा नहीं है कि फिर लाइफ में कष्ट नहीं आएंगे या प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं रहेंगी, बट when you are centered in that devotion or centered in yourself, depending upon whether you are an intellectual person or devotee, when you have that center, that bond to connection to center, कुछ भी आए, तूफान आए और प्लेजर्स आए, you will remain unshakable. And that is the beauty of having that connection to God in
It
whichever
works like
form.
an anchor, maybe that
Yeah,
that
exactly. The right word is, yeah, like anchor, having that anchor
having
that
that
takes
anchor.
care of everything. And Krishna is a kind of person who, if you become his devotee, he will actually put you into more challenges than normal, because he will make you, and he will equip you with the kind of wisdom and strength it needs to overcome them as well. So he kind of makes you grow, and by putting you into challenges. Without challenges, our life will become very stagnant.
Hmm.
So challenges are the way towards human evolution. So don't, don't try to avoid them in your life. Just see that as a beauty. And that you will be able to see that as a beauty only if you have that connection to divine somewhere. Otherwise, you will only be, like, वो कहते हैं ना, मार थपेड़े ही खाओगे. तो जब तुमको वो थपेड़े भी अच्छे लगने शुरू हो जाए, तुम रो रहे हो, अरे क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ, बट समवेयर यू आर लाइक, ठीक है भैया कर लो तुम ये. So when you have that awareness, life becomes very beautiful.
This is so beautiful. I'm like reading these states in books, like in autobiography of a yogi. I have
Yeah.
read
Yeah.
right multiple books, Untethered Soul, multiple books I'm reading, and there is everyone talking about this state of maybe complete sattva, state of
No,
writing
no, no.
your
It's not a state
gunas,
of complete sattva. It's a state of complete surrenderance.
surrenderance, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Writing your gunas, right? There is this beautiful book on this, the surrender experiment, which I read last
Okay.
year. So
Okay.
so like listening to someone who is so close to me and already living that life, it feels so beautiful. Like it's my prarabdh have been really good that I am connected
No, you
here.
never know what you are supposed to do. Like, I don't want you to get fascinated by the fact that I am walking that path. You never know what beauty is going to come out of you. You're already walking the path. I've seen your progress also. I've been, on and off. I keep seeing, and I seeing the way how beautifully your own journey is getting, towards your inner self,
Mm-hmm.
your connection to divine in you. So you're supposed to shine out in your own space, and I'm seeing that you are gradually moving towards it. And the beautiful thing about you is you're like you're walking your own individual path. As you mentioned, जैसे आपने इस पोस्ट जब आप शेयर कर रहे थे पॉडकास्ट का, जो आपने नोटिस डाला, उसके जो लाइंस थी, उसमें जो आपने लिखा कि मेरा अलग रास्ता रहा, which was with family, yet away from family. I was walking my own path. Yours was with motherhood and taking people and community along with you. So that has its own beauty, like I am very fascinated by your own journey also, the way you are going.
Maybe that's what how we were meant to be like so together. It seems so amazing how universe has set us up in
Yeah.
this lifetime
Oh,
together
I
since
know. I
2009
would definitely say I
talking
know
all.
more. I would
Huh,
definitely say I know more about our connection. I have said that earlier also. I know more
huh,
about our connection than you know,
yeah.
and I
I
know how it's
yeah,
going
you know
to.
it all. Maybe someday I'll try to understand maybe. And
No,
today
I
only
hope
I
you try
was
to experience it yourself.
try to
That would be more
experience
beautiful.
it. है ना?
Yeah.
आज ही मैं सोच रही थी कि एक मतलब there is remember that night in Sector 31 when we talked for whole night and then we put the FB का status डाला हमने and all and that hasn't happened ever since with anybody before and after that. So I was like, see that's remember we used to talk and for hours everything
Yeah.
and all and next and our dimensions of conversations have changed so much like in this lifetimes also the
Yeah.
things we used to talk about for hours about this life about everything कुछ नहीं हुआ तो हम दोनों ही साथ में रिटायरमेंट की लाइफ जी लेंगे अपना इकट्ठा है ना नहीं कोई मिला कुछ नहीं बना लाइफ का तो है ना एंड नाउ द dimensions of those conversations here we are talking about all of this like you sharing all of this your personal experiences this knowledge it's something definitely divine this connection and I'm
You know,
ready
I
to see
still
how
I still mention to people जो अभी मेरी लाइफ में आ रहे हैं, जहाँ मैं रहती हूँ, यहाँ पे जो लोग मिल रहे हैं, I introduce them to some people from my past. One of them is you, Pooja. Everybody knows here too. So the thing I share with them, जैसे आपने वो सेक्टर 31 वाला बोला कि पूरी रात हम जागे थे, मेरे को वो याद आता है कि हम क्लासेस बंक करके यूनिवर्सिटी में we would go out just two of us, leaving the
talk
whole group aside and we'll just talk.
टॉक
And
बंक करना
yeah,
है, लेक्चर में बंक करना है, इट्स लाइक अ
yeah,
बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड है ना,
yeah.
कि बस बातें करनी है। और मतलब ऐसा बातों वाला कनेक्शन मेरा अभी तक किसी के साथ नहीं बना, ऑनेस्टली आई वुड से, आई एडमिट, है ना, इतनी बातें करने वाला। बट या दैट वाज मतलब, और अब द डायमेंशंस ऑफ दोस कन्वर्सेशन, इट इज सो amazing, and I feel so grateful for this as well. It's something good karmas only maybe in our bucket that has helped us here reach
Or
here.
like I
With
like
one relationship it has gone. I don't think there is any other relationship which has gone to this level of like expansion, right?
I personally
Um,
feel like more than so there are two ways to think. If you think from you being just a normal human being, then where you are connected to the lower self, you will think it's my good karma. Oh, like you are thinking of yourself as very small person.
okay.
Then you will think of
Okay.
it as a like मेरे मेरे अच्छे कर्मा है कि ये हो रहा है. But then if you look at from the higher self of you, and that possibility exists for all of us, not just you and me. But taking
Mm-hmm.
our examples, I would say that with power, with awareness comes responsibility. So
Mm.
maybe we are here, the kind of experiences we are having, it comes with the responsibility where we have to take other people along with us and making them know, see, this is a possibility. You can also
This
live
is
this
possible.
beautifully. Yeah.
Right.
So the way you are taking people towards the yoga classes and all, and people are sharing their experiences. So you are fulfilling that responsibility, the dharma,
Mm.
and all of us has some dharma. It's not just you and me. All of us have dharma. The day we will connect to it, we will become this force, which you are seeing right now somewhere. Maybe I hope you are seeing that force. That when you are rooted in your dharma, then everything just aligns. And yeah,
Beautiful, so beautiful, so amazing
yeah,
conversation. And especially you told about like how we can see as from our higher self as a
yeah,
responsibility. I think
yeah, yeah, yeah,
such a great insight there.
yeah. We all have that. It's like
Hmm.
that's the thing I want to highlight. We all have a higher self. Everybody of us. तो
Yes.
हम सबके अंदर भगवान है और जिसकी एक अलग ही रचना है. कोई गुलाब के फूल जैसा होएगा तो कोई लिली जैसा होएगा, कोई पत्ते जैसा होएगा, यू नो, तो कोई कैक्टस जैसा होएगा. सो इट्स जस्ट दैट हमको वो डिस्कवर करना है कि मेरा क्या फॉर्म है.
Hmm.
लाइक आई होप दिस कन्वर्सेशन इंस्टिगेट्स whoever is listening to this or will listen in future, instigates towards trying to find who I am. मेरा डिवाइन फॉर्म क्या है? Who am I?
What is
I
my
just
higher
hope that.
self? At
Yeah,
least can
exactly.
start working on that, imagining that,
Exactly. Exactly. Thinking
rather
about
than
it.
living in same lower self.
Exactly. Exactly.
Right. So
Yeah.
true.
Yeah.
What a beautiful conversation it has been. One last message for all
Okay.
of us.
I
You
gave
want
already. I
you
gave
gave
already.
already. Okay. That's
One
good.
last question you can have, or probably anything. Like generally, I like that game they generally play, which is like I don't know if you are prepared with that or not. I was thinking of messaging you earlier, but I'm just doing it on the spot. The game where इस शब्द से तुमको क्या याद आता है? I really like that in some podcasts this much. So that adds
Okay.
spontaneity to the whole thing. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we can do that.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep it spontaneous only because I love to keep things spontaneous with live
Yeah.
energy.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll give the words and you have to say your
Okay.
truth. Truth. First word is truth.
Life.
Life.
Yeah.
Next word is life.
Beautiful.
Okay, and the next word is divine.
Krishna.
Okay, next word is presence.
Ah, present moment. Just living in the present moment,
Okay,
which is our birthright, and that is being divine as a human. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Consciousness.
Expansion.
Nice. And last word is family. I don't know. It come to me and I'm asking.
Whole world.
Nice. Amazing.
Yeah.
Best friend.
Okay. That one is tricky, quite tricky.
I just want to
Um,
have it.
but if I have to be honest, in this moment, I will say myself.
Yes, that's great. That's beautiful to know. So amazing.
Yeah,
It has, it should come this way only.
yeah.
Thank you, Devi. Thank you for the wonderful conversation.
Thank you for bringing this out. And like it was very beautiful for me also. I was hesitating to be in live. You know that how hesitated I was, but it was just because of you that I've been able to do this right now. So because somewhere I see that for me to be in any place, it takes me some kind of love. Like that love is my basic requirement to be in any place. Otherwise, I won't be. I'm very much into my zone, and I love to be in my zone in my own, arena where love is the only force that makes me do anything.
Mm-hmm. That's
That is,
beautiful. That's
yeah.
amazing.
So thanks to you for bringing this out and having this beautiful conversation. Yeah.
Maybe with this, the integration process has started.
What?
Maybe with this live, the integration process has started for you.
It
The
already it already has started with me. To be honest, like it already has started, but I would definitely say that this what we have done here, it is a cornerstone for further integration. Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
for
much.
thank you
Yeah.
for sharing beautiful insights, beautiful view, beautiful
Beautiful
everything,
asks. Beautiful asks. That's
beautiful
us.
us.
Yeah.
And it's so amazing to be in this space with you. So relaxing, so calming. And
Okay, so there's one thing I wish to mention before we end it. So I'm applying this tilak here, if you see. So if you see these two, this is related to my Gurudeva, Om Swami. So it's the people who are under him. We apply this. And this black one you see, I don't know if you already know, it's from Radha Ramana of Vrindavan.
हाँ, you take us
So
to the temple.
yeah,
आपको
so
हमें उस मंदिर लेके गए
for
थे.
me, yeah, for me, Krishna is Radha Ramana. Like, although he is present in many places in many forms, but the form for me of Krishna is Radha Ramana of Vrindavan. So, without mentioning him, I didn't want to close this conversation because he has to be everywhere I
He has
am.
to be here in
So,
this conversation also.
yeah, so
So
that's why I
amazing.
chose to say
If
that.
he is here,
Yeah, yeah.
that's
I
amazing.
just hope everybody who sees this podcast एक बार ना जाके इस कन्वर्सेशन के बाद राधा रमना का गूगल करके राधा रमना वृंदावन की फोटो एक बार देख लेना और हमारे नटखट स्वामी को देख लेना इज सो ब्यूटीफुल इज लाइक चाइल्ड फॉर्म ऑफ कृष्णा बट इज नॉट चाइल्ड इज सो ब्यूटीफul ओके
I'm also going to say it. Yeah.
ओके ओके
Thank
चलो
you.
ठीक है
Thank you so much. Thank you for
थैंक यू
being
सो मच
so beautiful. Thank you, Devi. Thank you.
हरे कृष्णा
Hare Krishna.